Leah is stealing products out of my shop. She stole this water snake and this mochi, and she said there's a third item. She did not show me what it was. What is the third item?
It's a giant chess ball.
I knew it was a more expensive one. Where is it? We have to find out where it is because she is in my inventory taking
you can't see
my
anything.
fidgets.
No.
This is, she's all in my shop, guys. Stealing my fidgets. What do you guys think about this? Like, we cannot have that because what did you steal? A DNA? My favorite at that. A DNA ball.
See it?
Where is it?
What? I never could even hide it anywhere.
Sneaky.
No, thank you.
Oh, she's so sneaky. This is where she stole one of these DNA balls.
Oh, yeah, me too.
She stole one of these water snakes, the mini water snakes, and one of my good mochi, the little fish. I must say, of course, she has good taste in fidgets, just like her mom.